In this session, we talk about concrete forms done right the first time. The optimal dirt elevation inside the forms is 4 inches above the center line of the street. Bench the lot when necessary. Areas within the forms must be free of all vegetation. Set the forms so the elevation of the top of the slab is 13 inches above the center line of the street, or is set according to the elevation certificate, whichever is higher. Locate the iron pins previously set by the surveyors according to the plot plan. Check to ensure there will be no obstructions in the proposed driveway location, including sewer cleanouts, drains, fire hydrants, and any other item that will be obstructed by the poured concrete driveway. Lay out strings to indicate the lot lines according to the set pins. From the lot line strings, measure in to set the corner boards. These will be placed outside of the final form boards and are used to precisely place the form boards for alignment and elevation. Use a transit or other device to set the form boards at the correct elevation 13 inches above the center of the street, or as indicated on the elevation certificate. Once the corner boards are set at the correct elevation, the outer boundaries of the forms can be placed. Once the length and width are lined up, be sure to measure the diagonals to confirm the forms are square. The diagonal measurement should be on the plot plan. If not, perform the calculation using a calculator to confirm the forms are square. Do not use damaged or debris-covered form boards. If they are damaged or covered with hardened concrete, replace them with clean, undamaged form boards. Forms are to be 2 by 10 or greater, staked every 48 inches. Stakes are to be driven flush or below the top of the slab elevation to allow for easier floating. Fasten stakes to forms using duplex concrete form nails. Place additional stakes to diagonally brace the forms and the stakes. Form tolerance, elevation plus or minus 1/4 inch. Square plus or minus 1/4 inch. Mark the exterior door opening. For the garage, a minimum 1/8 inch slope per foot. 1 1/2 inch minimum step down from the living area. For patios, 1 1/2 inch minimum step down from the living area, the slope to be 1/4 inch minimum per foot. Remove unused material and personal trash according to the trash agreement. This is how we do it. Form location set according to plot plan. Minimum elevation 13 inches above the center line of the street. Forms set square. Form stakes set flush with the top of the form and spaced at 48 inches. Area inside forms free of vegetation. All unused forming material and personal trash removed from the site according to the trash agreement. Do it right the first time and everybody wins.